tell me what is the most expensive thing your parents have bought you? Without, we won't make fun of them. I'm just asking because I want to understand where this opinion comes from, right? So,
I think it was phone.
a phone.
Yeah,
Okay. And if you have a kid, what is the most expensive thing you'll get your kid?
a phone.
Hey,
Hey, have you heard of education?
Miscellaneous spending. Miscellaneous spending.
I think we should be allowed to vape inside. Inside as in like in habitat.
such a specific one. Like,
Yes, I have also. No, let me tell you.
this is not an opinion. This is like, कि यहाँ का मालिक कौन है? You know, it's a complaint. What is your logic about like vaping inside? Why do you want to vape inside? Does anyone vape over here by any chance? Great. Everyone is like full on.
Whole audiences come from outside Bandra.
Yeah.
Nice to see Jogeshwari people.
This is a full हीरोगिरी फूफू करने से नहीं होती वाला crowd, you know. Do you vape?
No, I don't.
Hey, first, you were vaping my vape.
अरे नहीं, but I don't in general. ट्राई वाला बात अलग है, but I didn't realize that you guys are so scared. मतलब अभी तुम ड्रग्स पूछो 5 जन हाँ कर देंगे, पर वेप नहीं, वेप तो हम नहीं.
Okay, let's ask. Does anyone do drugs over here? I saw you. I will not out you. Don't worry, brother. Your secret is safe with me. But you should have seen him, okay? Like, he was like, does anyone do drugs? And I think this Mac was like, माल है ना है, pocket में है. I'll tell you, okay, I've tried vaping a few times and I think it's my observation. I don't know if you guys noticed, but people vape like they're afraid that someone will catch them smoking. Have you noticed? Like, have you seen how people vape? Like, they go,
Yes.
why?
Yes.
Why?
I think I'll tell you why. I feel like people vape ऐसे इसलिए ना, एक कि वो वेप करके टी शर्ट के अंदर भी डाल देंगे ना तो स्मेल किसी को नहीं आएगी. I think they can be so secretive कि किसी को कुछ नहीं पता चलेगा.
Yeah, it's
But
bizarre.
your nipples will be watermelon flavor.
My wife does not like nipples as much, so I tell my wife to. Okay, never.
That is such a great start. Where we start exactly, ma'am? Where did we start from? We started from smoking inside, and he's like, "मेरे wife को मेरी nipples अच्छे नहीं लगते." I'm like, this is some next level Dr. Mahindra Vatsa column going on over here.
You have not understood unpopular opinion. मैं वो बोल रहा था ना कि चुपके करता है, वो मैं किया है बाहर, like not in India but abroad. They don't really like have security check in airport and all, so I have like vaped on the plane and yeah.
Dude, that would freak out, dude. Imagine I'm sitting from behind me, the smoke blowing. I'm like,
No,
emergency!
No, I am blowing into my nipples.
Bro, अनिर्बान घर जाने से पहले वाटरमेलन, स्ट्रॉबेरी. This is one thing I've noticed, okay, that people are not yet like, catching on to. I don't know why. I think men should be sitting down.
Oh my God, I agree.
Yeah.
I can't believe.
Yeah. So this is something that I've been like propagating. देखो अपने घर में obviously बाहर जाके तो कोई रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहता है, बट अगर बाहर भी मैंडेटरी कर दिया जाए, then men's toilet will become cleaner. Because if you have to sit down, then you will keep it cleaner. Also, the second thing, क्यों नहीं? तुम खड़े होके क्या उखाड़ लेते हो? Like, what is the reason that you don't want to sit? Tell me one. It's not like
It touches the.
I don't understand. Wait, no, but like, थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाओ. It's not like the hole is so big कि यार तुम fit नहीं हो सकते. You can still pee inside ना. In fact, most of the times when like if I'm half asleep and I've woken up to pee, I would have preferred. मैं तो जाता हूँ आँख बंद करके मैं कर सकता हूँ यार. You imagine a person standing and peeing with eyes closed, half asleep. Is like obviously it's difficult to aim with eyes open. With eyes closed, तो it becomes even tougher. And all I have to do, मैं गया पैंट खोला बैठ गया. खत्म हुआ, वॉश किया, चला गया.
ऐसे ही बैठते हैं.
मेरे में वेस्टर्न वाला, मैं इंडियन वाले में बहुत टफ होता.
Yeah, I think Indian style sitting and pissing for men, matlab Sridhar. I mean, I'm just calculating trajectory.
That I'm against.
One minute. I'm just trying to understand. Who went? Oh God. Do you understand what a struggle it is as a man to stand up and okay, women, you all do not understand. There are a lot of struggles as a man to stand up and pee. First, you have to find a spot where someone is right next to you. No, I mean not next to you. Sorry. I meant not next to you. Not. Oh man, and then there are people who show off. Men know that. Men, you've seen the guys, right? There are people you've seen the guys who stand up and pee like this. No? I hate them. I would rather sit. I am team sitting any
I
day.
don't understand the balls they have like here, मतलब in the way that like you know कि हाँ
What do you mean?
आज तो मैं देखते हैं यार, आज मैं खड़े होके बिना हाथ के देखते हैं ये सब क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट है यार. मेरे को तो उल्टा लगता है जो खड़े होके करते हैं. Imagine the amount of effort it takes. I don't understand like. Is there anyone else who sits in peace?
Yeah, is there any sitter? Yes, that's the spirit. Thank you, sir.
Don't you think this should be become a norm? It's perfect, right? I would. There are times.
What the fuck? I like. Firstly, I have to tell you that I know Vaibhav and I are very old friends, and he has been telling me this for 13 years, and I can't believe he just told you also.
My favorite. I don't know if you notice. Okay, this guy was like, it is perfect. The guy next to him.
Okay, are you both are friends? You both are friends. So you tell me, have you ever insisted?
You both can do it at the same time.
Dude, I think the only reason men wanted to stand and pee was that दो जन को साथ में करना था और पॉट एक ही था. I don't think.
No, you can sit like this one here, like a Tetris formation.
एक में फिट नहीं हो रहा है, दो जन को तो मत ही डाल बैठे हुए में.
Yes, sir. What? When did you discuss? Yeah, please.
Did you ever insist on him or tell him? No. You have never mentioned this to anyone.
Yes, he is not you.
You have. Dude, I think you should tell everyone. This should be on the Bumble bio.
Don't do it.
मैं खड़े होके करता हूँ, मैं बैठ के करता हूँ. Dude, I'm telling you, it is more hygienic. The entire world will become a cleaner place once this happens. क्योंकि 35 साल भी मूतने के बाद ना, people cannot. They cannot maintain कि हाँ यार सारा का सारा अंदर ही गया. And last few drops, so everyone knows the dilemma. हंस क्यों रहे हो यार? Hey,
He's done a thesis.
imagine if you're there, you don't even have to give the last shake. You can just be like, and you're done. You understand how convenient it is, and then you can just zip up and go back. It's so much easier. I don't see you guys are. I'm telling you, you guys are not against the idea. It's just that you've not tried. Which is why I had. मैं इसको बोला and ये बोला हाँ ठीक है करता हूँ. But I didn't believe it.
मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ क्या होता है.
I told him to try.
ये मेरे घर आता है to chill like late in the night. We play some chess and all. And you know how you go to the movies and you know that the first 20 minutes is ads, so you don't really care about it. And you're like, okay, the main thing starts after 20. That's how I prepare myself when Vaibhav is coming home. That first 20 minutes he'll tell me to pee sitting down. So I'm like, yes, you just get it out of the way. And then this has happened fucking I can't believe we are in Habitat.
I don't believe that he did not try because मैंने 3 दिन बाद I checked also. I asked him तूने किया
फॉलो
क्या?
करता है मेरे को. ये मैसेज करो मुझे कभी किसी का मैसेज आया अपने दोस्त का कि बैठ के सुसु किया है. What the fuck, Vaibhav? You are a father.
If I could, I would ask his opinion everywhere. मैं न्यूज़पेपर में डालूंगा, सबको चेक करना पड़ेगा कि तुमने अभी तक शुरू किया या नहीं किया. मेरे को नहीं पता था potty training has gone wrong for so many years for men. उनको अभी तक नहीं सिखाया गया कि बैठ के कर लो आराम से. बाहर वाला I get, अंदर वाला तो I give me one good reason, sir. Anyone strongly कि नहीं मैं बैठ के करूंगा ही नहीं. Apart from Anirban.
Tradition. Culture. Mythology.
I don't know. Just let's just put.
प्रतिष्ठा, अनुशासन.
मैं वहाँ नहीं बैठूंगा जहाँ women बैठ के की है. ये क्या बकवास है? नहीं करो यार खड़े हो.
Okay, we'll wrap this. Anyone is team standing? Anyone is team standing? Huh? Oh, y'all have created a huh?
Team standing. I am team standing, I think.
He said he's team sitting. How will he be team standing? Unless come out pay you're standing, then you misunderstood how the bathroom works totally. You know.
Why do you like holding yourself? Why do you care? When you can be hands-free, what is the point of holding and peeing and trying to aim and having all that focus needed? What is the point? Just go free, आराम से बैठा हो गया.
भाई तो डायपर ही पहन ले at this rate यार.
Actually, पता है, as I have tried. once इसी के शूट पे
Yes, yes. No,
इसी
that
के
was
शूट पे
different.
इसी का
No fluids were involved.
yeah इसी का शूट पे and I was thinking कि नहीं यार ये adult diaper is actually very convenient. It's just that यार पैंट के ऊपर अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. If मतलब you know like how people go a long way panty liners छुपाने के लिए, right? ये जो अभी तक बैठ के नहीं मुते ना उनकी भी शक्ल ऐसी है. ये क्या होता है? ये तो हमने सुना ही नहीं कभी. If you're not married, you would not know that there are.
Respect for everybody who's making eye contact with you.
Yeah, dude, this is like a proper like a thesis, dude.
मैं बोला, ऐसे बैठे बैठे क्या दिक्कत है यार? तुम सोचो ना, तुम खड़े होकर कितना मेहनत करना पड़ता है. बैठे बैठे कौन सा यार बाहर निकल जा रहा है? क्या दिक्कत हो रही है? कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. It's so simple. Tell me one reason why. Okay, sir, you second row में पीछे चश्मा जो पहने हुए sir. Hi. Yeah, hi. What's your name, buddy? Abhishek. You tell me.
He's a stander. He's a stander, bro. Why
You're a
asking?
stander.
Yeah, because after
Good.
stand he's like Abhishek. It was right there. I'm so sorry.
Too quick. You know how people say like too soon? You're too quick with this. Abhishek, Adi, you were there.
Sorry. Abhishek, come. Let's wrap this up. Abhishek,
So
go.
Abhishek, have you ever sat down and pee? No. Ever? Never. After my like you know deliberation, would you rather try once?
ट्राई करना में ठीक है बट
You're not convinced. Give me one thing that is stopping you from नहीं यार शायद ये मेरे प्रोसेस में मैच नहीं किया.
मजा आता है, दो I'll tell you.
आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव ट्राइड मतलब जब
नहीं I have tried both. Oh wait. तू क्या एक टांग बैठता एक खड़ा? If you have something new तो बता.
Yeah, no, wait. Let him talk.
when you go to a toilet and there's a machhar flying and you aim at that
There's a machhar.
yeah
Okay.
like that.
And you aim at that. Oh भाई,
Bro, but मच्छर तो
उड़ रहा है यहाँ पे. That's anti everything.
You see why I'm telling you should sit down. तुम कभी नहीं सोचोगे. बैठे बैठे मैं एक काम करता हूँ. बम शावर है ना यार, बम शावर से गिरा ना तू. हर जगह सुसु डालेगा उससे अच्छा पानी गिरा.
Now,
Bro, ये रीजन कुछ नहीं बैठता, ठीक है ना? ये तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं बैठा है.
guys, now do you agree that we should vape inside?
There should be a cap on miscellaneous spending on children till they reach the age of 18. Like the parents should have a cap on how much they can spend on
That's right. And after 18, it should be 0.
Yeah, should be there.
Okay, what is the cap? How much do you think parents should spend on children?
We'll discuss that.
हाँ तो बता. We'll discuss मतलब like no, I will formulate my opinion as the event progresses based on how much they like or dislike me.
Tell us about the germination of this thought. Where did it start irking you, or what made you think that this should be a self-expense? Sorry.
Not essentially
when
like,
he was a kid.
there has to be a limit. Like it would be rather. अभी तो मतलब birthday में भी they have lots of things. Okay.
Yeah.
हमारे birthday में समोसा मिल रहा था, chips मिल रहा था.
Yes, correct.
Why
correct.
should they get
यार,
so much now?
अभी birthdays में return gift में iPad मिल रहा है. Like कुछ भी चल रहा है.
This I think.
So this I discussed with this guy before.
Okay.
Once.
हाँ.
When we were sitting down and just chilling.
हाँ.
Okay.
That time this thought came up. And
Yes.
But this opinion's coming from trauma, brother. It's not. It's not like उनको iPad मिला समोसा मिला. That is the problem with your parents. You know, I feel not with other parents.
But how old are you?
I'm 25.
At 25 you have these thoughts कि यार हमारे जमाने में तो
He's लाखों में एक.
So, like, did you feel like there was somewhere where overspending happened on a kid, and then that's what made you think when you heard about something like return gifts being too expensive?
Sort of like sometimes there are situations where like they are spending on some completely useless thing that the child is not going to use after like a year. You could have instead saved that money for something more useful.
Like a vape. You know. Once you're 18, this is yours, beta.
I mean, 2,000 rupees is not the cap, but okay.
Okay, 2,000. We've got a cap right now. Okay, I'll ask you something, okay? Tell me, what is the most expensive thing your parents have bought you? We won't make fun of them. I'm just asking because I want to understand where this opinion comes from, right? So,
I think it was phone.
a phone.
Yeah,
Okay. And if you have a kid, what is the most expensive thing you'll get your kid?
a phone.
Hey,
Hey, have you heard of education?
Miscellaneous spending. Miscellaneous spending. Miscellaneous spending.
No, फोन से ज्यादा तो आजकल बस का फीस है स्कूल बस की फीस हो जाती है इतनी तो
Tell me, what do you guys think? Because y'all are parents, y'all have like kids, and y'all have obviously miscellaneous spend. I love miscellaneous expenses. You know, it's a very like specific amount. So, what do y'all think? Is it like before 18 there's a limit, or fuck it, my child, take whatever you want?
I think there should be a grant. मतलब लीव माई लिमिट मेरे को गवर्नमेंट भी देना चाहिए थोड़ा सा
आई एग्री देश का फ्यूचर बनाने का ट्राई कर रहा है तो गवर्नमेंट से तो पैसा चाहिए हम लोग को
100% होना ही चाहिए
एंड
मतलब
तो ओवर टाइम भी होना चाहिए
Yeah, बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, UPI पे डालो. You know, like that's a full slogan.
आई थिंक हो सकता है मतलब ऐसा शाम को 5 बजे तक सारा सर्विस के लिए गवर्नमेंट शुड पे एंड 5 बजे के बाद आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ द किड उसके लिए मेरा सारा एक्सपेंसेस
Very interesting.
वी शुड या काइंड ऑफ लाइक मे बी डिवाइडेड दैट्स नॉट अ बैड आइडिया
And how much should the government give you?
50-50 I'll give the receipts later
I think government should give me exactly the amount I am paying as tax.
oh
Oh,
I love this
nice one.
I love this man
One second. Hello, Nirmala. एक मस्त आइडिया है मार्केट में. That's a nice one.
I love it कि हाँ बच्चा होते ही 30 तुम्हारा एक टैक्स गया सेकंड बच्चा होते ही गवर्नमेंट दे रही है तुमको लाइक यू कैन टेक 25% टैक्स फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट कि हाँ मैंने एक और किया है
And what? Yeah. Okay. Wait. What's the most expensive thing y'all have spent on your kids now to make him jealous?
I think I did a trip with my kid and wife just to Singapore just because I felt like कि हाँ वो पूरे ट्रिप में सिंगापुर में बच्चों का करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है that entire trip बच्चे के लिए ही किया मैंने like there was barely anything that we did on the trip but I figured like after a point I did not need anything मेरे को उसके through ही मजा आ रहा है सब चीज देखने में what she's doing but yeah that is probably the most expensive thing like a trip
Yeah. Seeing the joy of a trip to your child's eye is something beautiful, right?
yeah
Like,
for the first 2-3 years
yeah, that's why my Amsterdam trip with my dad was very awkward. I'm like, Dad, do I really need to see the show? Go for it, beta. We'll discuss it later. What about you, Anirban?
Yeah, I think it would be like a trip with like business class, and also it was like really expensive. But it's okay. I made up the money by doing jokes on her only. It's okay.
I'm going to open it up to us. Are there parents in the audience? Any parents in the audience? Any parents? No? Okay. Oh, yeah, ma'am. Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes, लाखों में.
Ma'am, agree or disagree with him?
I disagree because every parent has their own way of bringing up a child. So, of course, material will be different, emotion will be a bit different. So, I do not agree.
No, wow. My
Sahil,
God.
you should have asked the father.
Hi there, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, but most importantly, subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. If not for me, do it for Baby Yoda.